Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Realme. Firstly, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and install this free app from Flartu developer. DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!